So let me tell you what happened this weekend. Everything started great on Friday. We noticed a couple things Saturday morning, got that taken care of, and then got in today, just started noticing oil pressure fluctuations. I don't know how long Cooper was out for, but he started having disappearing coolant problems. That stopped the day because we figured out it was probably a head gasket. I wish we could brought home the gold for you guys. Not this weekend, next race though. Stay tuned. The day has begun. Saturday at the races. What do they say? The early bird gets the worm. Full day of testing yesterday. Some expert advice from our friend Lamana, Jason. We went up in tire pressures. We don't have any oil in the car right now, but we're gonna fix that. We gotta fill her up with fuel.
Torques and pressures?
We gotta go over all the torques and the pressures. We hope she's dialed in. We wanna be coming off the track right there at 6 o'clock.
How's the car?
It's amazing.
What happened? Temperature gauge, everything went out?
We lost water temp.
Lost water temp.
But I didn't lose any Altoids.
What's the new yellow button?
Okay, so that's for low pressure, oil pressure. If there's low oil pressure, that will go on, then you have to stop the car.
Yeah. You got to check the oil while it's here?
Yeah, I got
that. We got water.
Mustang hit and spun, and I had to go around him in the dirt.
Okay. So you were a spectator to this?
Yeah, I was avoiding killing my beautiful rabbit.
I know, right?
They both spun. I went left into the dirt to avoid them.
They didn't call you for it, but I appreciate you.
Hey, I went all four off, dude.
And now that I've touched your car, I've probably cursed her.
God damn you, God damn you.
Yeah.
Fucking amazing! Oh my god, it's hot as fuck. Be careful.
Jonah got a hit.
Yeah, he and the Mustang. He went into the Mustang. They both spun.
Full court, full court.
I just go half.
You're looking good though.
Thanks.
Save some car for the rest of us, Mr. 150 lap time.
Hey, that's
That's pretty good.
They're open. I just take them.
You take them.
They're giving them to me.
You take what you got, brother.
They're giving them to me. I'm just going in fourth a lot these last few.
Save some sex for the rest of us.
Bye, guys.
All right, boy, have fun, have fun.
Don't worry, there's no water. Go. Be safe. Good run.
of people in and out of the penalty box.
We're going to say the following. A Dodge Neon is not an off-road vehicle. A Porsche is not an off-road vehicle.
John and I made it through the penalty box. We made it without having to go in the penalty box. I did go in there once to let them know I did go off track, but it was only to avoid our good friend Jonah, who hit the Honda-powered Mustang. We're doing well. We're in first class in C, up a few laps. Derek's in the car right now. We got 2 drivers left. We got Derek in for another hour, 45 minutes, and then Mark's gonna go in for the rest. Got to keep it clean.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Done right now, just FYI, you may want to check it as well.